Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to fix order rejected in Etoro. So fixing an order rejected error in Etoro requires identifying the underlying cause, which is usually related to account verification, insufficient funds, or market timing. But first, it is always good to know if Etoro themselves has any problem in their website. So first, always go ahead and check for the status.etoro.com and look for any problem that is related to the problem that you have. Whatever the problem is, simply go here and check and go all the way down, and here you will find the report of the day. So if there was no incident reported, then probably the problem is from your side. Now there is a couple of things to take in order so we can find the solution. First thing is to verify your account. Ensure that your Etoro profile is fully completed and verified because unverified accounts have strict limitation. So simply go ahead to your account, log into it, basically just like I'm doing right now. Go to the settings like this from here, and basically just complete this process that you will find in here. The second thing is to check available funds. Make sure to simply ensure that you have available funds instead of cash in your balance to cover the trade, including fees. So you can go here and basically go to withdraw funds, and here you will find the available fund that you can withdraw, and basically these funds themselves that you can try to use inside the platform. And finally, the final solution that I would suggest is to check for the market hours. If you're trying to place a market order for stock ETF outside of regular market hours, it may be rejected. Use a limit order instead for out of hours trading. And yeah, that was completed tutorial for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave us a like, subscribe, and a beautiful comment. And if you do have any more questions, leave them down below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.